Today we will introduce you Ocean Model H, means Ocean plus all-in-one tap. Installation will be very simple, one Ocean under the sink plus one all-in-one tap. How to use is very simple. This side is unfiltered water. This side turn down is filtered water. Remember to press the child lock and turn up for hot water. All-in-one tap comes with one machine that can set the temperature. This one. How to set the temperature is very easy. Press this button for lower. Press this button for higher. This all-in-one tap doesn't require any maintenance except for this Ocean. And this Ocean only requires to change filter. Can refer back our previous video on model N.